Of Hoosiers have a license to drive around with handguns in their glove compartments, their purses, or even under the seats of their cars. And if you're one of them, Eyewitness News reporter Rich Van Wyk has some simple advice to keep both you and police officers safe.
John, almost 750,000 people in Indiana are licensed to carry handguns. We found out some important things today as far as those guns in cars. If you have one in a car, don't keep it in your glove compartment, because if you're in that car reaching for that glove compartment, that registration, officers might see a gun and bad things might happen. Under Indiana law, drivers aren't required to tell officers outright, volunteer information they have a license or a gun. But that officer will find out as soon as they check your driver's license. It reports to the officers whether you have a gun license. I'm told all gun owners should use common sense. Be upfront. We got simple, possibly life-saving advice from people who carry and use guns. An attorney who teaches gun safety and specializes in gun rights laws.
If I'm getting my license before the police officer comes to the car, I'm going to have my license and my concealed carry license, and I'm going to give it to him and tell him, how do you want me to proceed?
Yeah, you don't have a gun visible in the car. You don't have your hands concealed where the officer can't see what you're doing. You don't make sudden movements that the officer can take as threatening.
Attorney Guy Relford explains that there are specific rules that officers have to follow if they find out there's a gun in the car. Some of them are constitutional rules, and he says those issues are best settled in court, not alongside the road. So whatever the officer asks, be cooperative. Back to you.
All right.